USA is going to be in the blue corner. Tajikistan in the red. And like I said before, these two teams are in the running for the overall team title, so this is an important match. Nice inside leg kick from Tajikistan. And USA catches the kick, almost gets a takedown. Tajikistan is back up. Got the underhook. Oh, and he's trying to pull triangle. Trying to climb those legs up over the shoulder. They can't slam in the youth divisions from here. He's got to find a way to get out of that triangle without slamming. Looks like he's trying to press him against the fence to open the legs, which seems to be working. He just can't let him get his back to the ground. And round's over. Interesting how the judges will score that. Here we go, round number 2. This little exchange, and USA goes to shoot. Tajikistan's trying to counter that with the Kimura, and he stops the takedown. USA is going to shoot again. Both these guys are evenly matched. Tajikistan gets the takedown. USA is going for active guard. Tajikistan's pushing his opponent into his own corner so we can hear his coaches. And Mitchell looks like USA's look like he's setting up something from the guard. He's got those feet on the hips. USA is keeping that guard open, which means he's trying for something. But Tajikistan's keeping that pressure on the fence, preventing him. Oh, slips that leg in. Tajikistan's posturing up hard. Got to grab that shin and pull it. Oh, and he runs out of time. Again, interesting how they're going to score this. Both rounds ended up similar. USA locking up a triangle, but not putting him in danger to submit. But nevertheless, locking on the triangle. All right, I think it's going to come down to this round. There we go. We know both these fighters want to get out of the pool rounds to get a chance to medal.
Round, I am in Jones.
Oh, Tajikistan gets a takedown. USA puts him in half guard. He's got an underhook. I think he's going to be able to get full guard right here. We'll see if he gets a triangle. He's got more time right now. And again, Tajikistan pushes him into his own corner. Some heavy punches from top. I know what USA is working to get that leg over the shoulder again. He'll have more time to finish now if he can get it. See if USA can power out of this. That's a tough one. That's a lot of power there. But Tajikistan is countering it. But US it's a scramble. And it's a scramble to the end. Now this is going to be a tough one. This is going to be a tough one for the judges. You got takedowns versus attempted submissions. Everything else looks kind of even. Oh, they give it to Tajikistan. Good fight, good fight.